Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to create about the factorization in here. So I need to add about s squared. That means we need to minus about s squared. About this one, that should be about negative 5x plus 6x. So this one you got about negative 5x squared. This one we can do about factorizations. Negative 5x squared with negative 5x, we can do another factorization. Number 6x and number 6, we can do another factorization. Now we have x plus 1, we can do another factorization. Now we need to simplify by x plus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put negative number 1 gone here. And you got about number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.